Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn our EVS seconds lesson number first, what is history. In this lesson we have to learn about that history's definition, then scientific method of history, history and us, and the past and the future. In previous standards you had studied about Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, tell me then, what is the birth date of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? Very good. The birth date of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is 19 February 1630. In previous standard you also learned about his mission. Whose mission? That Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj mission of establishing Swaraj. Or in other way we say like the time before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj was about 400 years before now, or the time before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj was about 400 years ago. For our easy way, we divide time in different periods. So, we use words like now. Now, let us take some example of related this word now. Okay children, tell me. When your mother tells you some work, like she tells you that you should complete your work now. At that time, what you said to her? That no mama, now I am not doing my work, now I am doing playing, like that. Then sometimes we use words like sometimes ago. Let us take example of it. When you share your shopping experience with your friend, then you would tell us that sometimes ago we visit the big mall, or you would tell to them that me and my family sometimes ago visit the DMart and we are doing lots of shopping there. Sometimes we also use the word like after some time. For example, when your friend is coming to calling you for playing, and at that time you are completing your homework, then you would tell to your friend that after some time we will meet, or after some time we will play. Like that words we use in our day-to-day life. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. These kinds of words we use in our daily life. We are usually measuring the time in our mind. When we are doing any kind of work, at that time we are actually measuring the time in our mind, means we are doing calculation to that time. Now, today and this year are the different terms that indicates the present time. For example, you are saying to your friend that this year my father is taking a new car or new bike. The words like now, today and this year are terms that indicate the present time. Some time ago, yesterday, last year indicates the past time. Like you are saying, yesterday we went outside for dinner. The time means the words like sometimes ago, yesterday and last year are the terms, and these terms indicate the past times. The time that we are in now is present time. The time that we are in now, it is present time. The time that has already gone, called past times. The time that has already gone means in that time something happened there. That time already gone, called past time. And the time that is yet to come is the future time. Means you are telling like that, I will be a best cricket player. That one is in future. See, the past includes many events that have already taken place. In our textbook, one example is given. See the downside picture. Now you are in 5th standard. And today you are 10 years old. It means that the event of your birth happened 10 years ago in the past. Similarly, after 10 years from now, that is in future, means now you are in 10 years, and after 10 years means you are how many years old in future? You are will be 20 years old. The time gone by between today and the day of your birth is your past. The past in the life of a person. And the past time includes many beautiful events that have already taken place. Means it is nothing but our history. History is a science that tells us about events in the past. I repeat again. History is a science that tells us about past events. The science that tries to understand past events is called history.